Welcome to Upgrading Pharma channel. So in this video we discuss about the most important news comes from the pharma industry in our India as well as some of the international. Okay, so let's we enter into the news. So first news is comes from Zydus Life Sciences. Okay, so Zydus Life Sciences is one of the major drug maker present in our India as well as it also have many subsidiaries all over the world. Okay, so Zydus Life Sciences receives the final USFDA approval for insomnia drug. Okay, so insomnia that means is a sleepless. Okay, so sleepless disease. So Zydus Life Sciences Limited on Friday. So Friday which means so last week. So Friday said it has received final approval from the US health regulatory to market its generic version of triazolam tablets. Okay, used on the short term basis of treat insomnia. Okay, so triazolam tablets are used to treat insomnia disease. So it has the final approval from the US FDA to market its generic version of triazolam tablets. The approval granted by the US Food and Drug Administration is to market triazolam tablets in the strength, that is in the dose of 0.125 mg and 0.25 mg. Okay, the company set in the regulatory frame. Okay, so it is a news comes from the Zydus Life Sciences related to its insomnia drug market. Okay, so we move on the second news. So the second news is comes from BTR. Okay, so BDR Pharmaceuticals. The BDR Pharmaceutical launches its generic Apalutamide to treat prostate cancer. Okay, so Apalutamide is one of the drugs used to treat or used to prevent the progress of prostate cancer. BDR Pharmaceutical launches the first generic Apalutamide, the brand name Apatide, okay, in India to treat metastatic castration sensitive prostate cancer MCSPC and non-metastatic castration resistant prostate cancer NMCRPC. Okay, the product will be available so across the India and shall be given the strength of 60 mg in 2 packs. Okay, 60 tablets and 120 tablets. Okay, so apalutamide is combination with anti-androgen therapy will significantly improve the chances for surviving of MCSPC patients. Okay, so MCSPC which means so metastatic castration sensitive prostate cancer. So when the apalutamide is combination with anti-androgen therapy, so it will provide that sex action. And in another hand, apalutamide plus, so plus which means it have some additional effect or it have some additional combination with other drug. Okay, so the apalutamide plus androgen deprivation therapy shows a significant decrease in the risk of disease progress and reduces the risk of mortality by 35% among the NMCRPC patients. Okay, so apalutamide is combination with anti-androgen therapy as well as androgen deprivation therapy for treatment of MCSPC and NMCRPC patients. Okay, so this is the news comes from the BDR Pharmaceuticals related to its generic apalutamide for treatment of prostate cancer. Okay, next we move on third news. So Indian scientists discover new anti-cancer agent showing huge promise. Okay, so again the anti-cancer. So the Indian scientists, so this includes Tata Institute of Fundamental Research TIFR, the Agarkar Research Institute ARI in Pune and IIT Hyderabad has discovered an alternative drug molecule indicating high anti-tumor potential for cancer cells. Okay, with exceptionally ability to reduce unwanted growth of blood vessels, that is anti-angiogenic effect. Okay, so said one of the scientific team members. Okay, so it discovered the one of the familiar, that is one of the alternative drug molecule which have the anti-tumor potential on cancer cells. Okay, so one of the significance in that discovery is the development is considered significant, that is given the limited applicability of platinum drugs. Okay, so platinum drugs which means so the platinum derivative drugs used in the treatment of cancer, so cisplatin, so such type of drugs only. currently the main treatment option for many types of cancer. So that is a platinum agent, the platinum derived agents, due to the fast resistance developed by the patient. Okay. So the team's research has been published in the ACS journal showing the potential therapeutic implication of the therapeutic agents to manage platinum resistant cancer, the Patra shed. Okay. So these alternative agent used to improve the efficacy of the platinum drugs in the case of treatment of cancer. So this is a news related to our new discovery about the anti-cancer agents. Okay, so we move on. Fourth news. The fourth news is comes from Aurobindo Pharma. Okay, so Aurobindo Pharma arm receives regulatory nod to make market Azacitidine in US. Okay, so Aurobindo Pharma is one of the drug maker present in our India, and it's also have many subsidiaries all over the world. Okay, so Aurobindo Pharma on Wednesday, that is in the last Wednesday, said its wholly owned subsidiary UGA Pharma Specialties received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to manufacture and market Azacitidine for injection 100 mg single dose vial. Okay, so that is vials. So Azacitidine is one of the injection, that is in the injection form, 100 mg single dose vial. Okay, so it get the nod for the market and manufacturing of Azacitidine. Okay, that is the main news. So Azacitidine is one of the class of medications called demethylation agent, that is in the use treatment of cancer. Okay, so these agents work by helping the bone marrow to produces normal blood cells and by killing the abnormal cells in the bone marrow. That is the mechanism of actions of Azacitidine. Okay, the product is expected to be launched this month, so that is in this month, which means January. So according to the statement from Aurobindo Pharma. Okay, the approved product has an estimated market size of around USD, that is $46 million for the last 12 months ending from November 2022. Okay, so that is the news comes from Aurobindo Pharma. So related to its Azacitidine tablets. Okay, so we move on. Fifth news. So the fifth news comes from Alembic Pharma. Okay, so Alembic is one of the unavoidable drug maker present in our India. So it's one of the major drug maker. Okay, so Alembic Pharma backs USFDA nod for Fesoterodine Fumarate ER Tablets to treat overactive bladder. Okay, so Alembic Pharmaceutical Limited today announced that it has received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration for its abbreviated new drug. Okay, so ANDA, Fesoterodine Fumarate Extended-Release Tablets, 4 mg and 8 mg. Okay, Fesoterodine Fumarate used in the case of overactive bladder. Okay, the approved ANDA product is therapeutically equivalent to reference listed drug product, that is Tovia's extended release tablet 4 mg and 8 mg of Pfizer Incorporation. Okay, so it is therapeutically equivalent to that Pfizer product, that is Tovia's. Okay, the Fesoterodine Fumarate extended release tablets are indicated for treatment of overactive bladder. So in adults with the symptoms of urge urinary inconsistent, urgency and frequency. Okay, that is overactive bladder. Okay, to suppress the overactive of the bladder, Fesoterodine Fumarate can be used. Okay, that is the news comes from Alembic Pharma this week. Okay, we move on. Sixth news. So sixth news comes from again Zydus Life Sciences. Okay, so Zydus launches Topiramate Extended-Release Capsules for epilepsy. Okay, so Zydus Pharmaceuticals, that is USA Incorporation, a subsidiary of Zydus Life Sciences Limited, present in our India, formerly Cadila Healthcare Limited. Okay, has launched Topiramate Extended-Release Capsules. The company earlier received the final approval from the USA, that is USFDA, to market Topiramate Extended-Release Capsule USP, that is United States Pharmacopoeia, 25 mg and 50 mg and 100 mg in the United States. Okay, the company is earlier, that is it before received the approval for its marketing of Topiramate Extended-Release Capsules. Now it released the tablet into the market. Okay, so Topiramate Extended-Release Capsules is indicating for epilepsy, and this Topiramate Extended-Release Capsule has annual sales of USD 488 million, that is 488 million in the United States. Okay, it is one of the huge valuation, huge amount of drug will be sold in the US. this topiramate is one of the positive news for Zydus Life Sciences. Okay, so these are the main news comes in our India about the pharmaceutical industry as well as important medicines. So and I hope you really enjoy this video. If you like this video, like, share, and finally subscribe our channel and click the bell icon near the subscribe button. Then only you get the every notification for our every new videos. Okay, so let's see another video. Thank you for watching.